On August 6, 1890, at Auburn Prison in New York, the first known execution by electrocution in history is carried out against William Kemmler, a convicted axe murderer. Execution by electrocution was first suggested 9 years earlier by a dentist named Dr. Alfred Southwick. He had witnessed a drunk elderly man die after touching the terminals of an electric generator in New York. This sparked an idea, causing Southwick to believe that electricity could be a more humane, painless way to execute criminals. Keep in mind that most executions of the day were done by hanging. Sometimes it took as long as 30 minutes for the condemned to die by this method, especially if the person's neck did not break. In 1889, New York passed the Electrical Execution Law, allowing for the use of electrocution as a method of capital punishment. It is the first law of its kind in the world. Auburn Prison's electrician, Edwin R. Davis, was tasked with designing an electric chair for the prison. On August 6, 1890, axe murderer Kemmler is strapped into this new invention. The first attempt fails after 700 volts are delivered for 17 seconds. Kemmler is still alive, although some witnesses report smelling burning flesh. A second charge of 1030 volts is prepared and applied for 2 minutes. Smoke is observed coming from Kemmler's head, and the electrode attached to his back burns through to his spine. He is clearly deceased. Dr. Southwick proclaims, "We live in a higher civilization from this day on." Conversely, American inventor George Westinghouse, a pioneer in the use of electricity, remarks, "They would have done better with an axe." Here are other events that happened today in history. In 1660, Spanish court painter Diego Velázquez, known for his masterpiece Las Meninas, dies in Madrid. In 1787, delegates in Philadelphia begin debating the first complete draft of the U.S. Constitution. In 1911, comedian, actress, and television pioneer Lucille Ball is born in Jamestown, New York. In 1926, 19-year-old American Gertrude Ederle becomes the first woman to swim the English Channel. In 1945, the Enola Gay drops the atomic bomb codenamed Little Boy over the Japanese city of Hiroshima. In 1965, Johnson signs the Voting Rights Act, one of the most important civil rights laws in U.S. history. In 2015, the hip-hop infused musical Hamilton opens on Broadway, going on to win 11 Tony Awards. And now it's time for our Today in History quiz. Which former U.S. president created a new political party in his unsuccessful run for a third term? Andrew Jackson, Grover Cleveland, Ulysses S. Grant, or Theodore Roosevelt? Think you know the answer? Drop your guesses in the comments below. Find out if you're right next time on Today in History. You made it through Today in History. Nice work. Now treat yourself. Click the video on the right for what happened yesterday in history. Still can't get enough? The link on the left's got the whole playlist buffet. Want to make history a daily habit? Click my face in the middle to subscribe.